years na! Debu na ng longest-running advocacy at celebration para sa ating teachers, ang Gabay Guro. Ito ang taunang handog ng MVP Group sa very inspiring teachers natin. At sa gaganaping grand gathering this October 25, muling magtitipon-tipon ang ating teachers from all over the Philippines para sa isang gabi na para sa kanila ang grand gathering. At di lang yan, dahil may pa-Zumba, may world-class performances ni Jed Madela, Jonah, at marami pang ibang performers from Regine Velasquez, Eric Santos, Gabby Concepcion, Pops Fernandez, ang ating very own Vibe Jocks at MQAA artists, and so much more. And para mas ma-inspire mga teacher natin, may cash prize pang ipamimigay worth 1 million pesos, along with pangkabuhayan showcase and a brand new car. Pero ang lahat ng ito, maliit na bagay lang daw kung tutuusin. Para kasi sa Metro Pacific Investments Corporation, MWell, PLDT Home at ilan pang executive volunteers ng MVP Group, cornerstone ng nation building ang mga teacher. Kaya naman save the date, October 25 sa Meralco Theater sa Pasig City. Sa pangunguna ito ni MVP Group Chairman Manny V. Pangilinan at ang Gabay Guro Chairperson, MWell CEO and President Chief Finance, Risk and Sustainability Officer of Metro Pacific Investments Corporation na si Shay Cabal Revilla.
Kasi naman lahat tayo at na ating mga artists nanggaling sa mga kamay ng mga magagaling na guro, di ba? And I believe some of them were even encouraged to hone their craft as artists and singers, as performers by their teachers din.
This is an advocacy po of 18 years, and thank you to everyone who's been helping us out amplify, create stories for Gabay Guro.